Hi loves, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can take an old synthetic wig or synthetic wig that you wore the other night. You just had a little bit too much fun with your girls, and as you can see from this wig, sis, that was me. But I figured I'd give you guys a tutorial on how to wash and renew a synthetic wig. So here are the products you will need: foam head / mannequin, wig spray, a bowl, detergent and fabric softener, and also you will need a wig brush or a comb to detangle, but I will have every single thing that you need in the description box below, so definitely go check that out. So now I'm just making sure that the water is warm to room temperature, and I'm just going to fill that bowl up a little bit. Now I'm going to be taking the detergent and I'm just going to pour all that goodness in that water. Now I'm doing the same thing with the fabric softener. Now you do want to gauge it based off the density and the length of your synthetic wig, so keep that in mind. So now I'm just going to put the wig in there and make sure it's drenched and it's getting all that goodness in there. Everything that's not supposed to be in there is out. So at this point, I let it sit for about an hour to 2 hours depending on how dirty it is. Before I rinse it out, I'm just detangling to make sure there's no knots, make sure it's not all tangled up in the nape area and things like that. So now I'm taking freezing cold water and I am rinsing it out. So make sure it is cold water. And now you just gotta wring it on out. And just make sure that part is still cute and intact. And as you can see, the curls are already, well, the waves are already coming back to life. So now I'm just going to pat dry. And then you want to sit it on your mannequin and make sure it air dries. And so now at this point, it's pretty much dry. Now your cap might still be wet for a little bit longer. And I'm taking my Remi spray, which is my wig spray. Like I said, the links will be in the description. Honestly, it's the best wig spray I've ever used, hands down. I'm not just saying that. But yeah, so I am also just detangling any other knots or tangles. I'm getting it out. And also making sure that the waves are still intact. As you can see with the nape of the area and the parting and just how the wig is overall, it pretty much looks brand new and it's no tangles. Anything that was in it was out. And so that's pretty much it. Okay, you guys, so I wanted to come on here and show you guys the finished product once this unit was fully dried. Now, I know you guys really love this wig and my Valentine's Day hair look book. Compare it from then when I first got it to now in this video. I feel like this looks so much better, honestly. Like, I think the color, it just looks vibrant. Like, the red is popping more. I feel like the waves are more defined. Like, I just think it's more tamed. Like, it's just giving me grown and sexy, but young and fun, but mature, but like a vibe. Like, you know, you can wear this on a date night. You can wear this going out with your girls, as y'all seen earlier. And that's what I did. You know, you can even make it a casual thing, like athleisure wear fit. Like, you know, I feel like you can give all types of vibes with this wig. Now, if you want to know the details with this unit and all the instructions, all the links and everything, I will put it in the description box, so definitely go check that out. Alright, so before I sign off, I wanted to give you guys some announcements for my channel. So the first one is, I have noticed that some of you guys have not been getting notifications that my videos are posting. So definitely turn on your post notifications, you guys. Like, that's essential. And even if you're still not getting the notifications that I'm posting, you know I post every Monday and every Wednesday. So that's where you know that I'm gonna be at on my channel. I'm posting every Monday and Wednesday, and very randomly sometimes Fridays. And if you want to be extra sure, make sure you guys follow me on all of my social media platforms. specifically Instagram, because that's where I tell you guys a day in advance when I'm posting, and I give you guys little sneak peeks. You know, I ask polls on what you guys want to see. I'm very active on there, so you definitely will know. I will be your personal post notifications, so definitely head over to my social media so you know, and follow me on there so you know when I post, if YouTube ain't trying to let you know when I post. Okay, the second announcement is next week I am going to be giving you guys a treat. I'm going to be posting 5 times next week within both of my channels. So I'm going to be giving you a video Monday, I'm going to be giving you a video Wednesday and Friday on my main channel, which is this channel right now, the channel that you are watching on. And Friday I'm going to be talking about very important things, plus it's going to be entertaining, girl, I promise you. And then I'm going to be posting Tuesday and Thursday on my vlogging channel, so you guys will get 3 content videos and 2 vlogs from me next week. So definitely, like I said, follow me on my social media so I can be your personal post notifications, and subscribe to my vlogging channel as well. I will have it somewhere on the screen, as well as my socials, so definitely stay tuned for that. And don't forget to comment down below, guys. Y'all know I comment on every single comment, so yeah, I got y'all. I love interacting with you guys. Like, that's one of my favorite parts of me having my platform, is just to engage and talk to you guys. Comment down below what you think about this unit. Like, do you think like it looks even better than it did before? Like, what's tea, sis? I give you guys nothing but peace, love, and positivity. Y'all already know what it is. Y'all should know by now. And like I always tell you guys, no matter what you do, live in your truth, because nobody can take that away from you. And I will see you guys in the next one. And also, make sure y'all watch my previous videos, okay? I feel like I have to say it. Watch my previous videos, subscribe, all that good jazz. Alright, I'm gone. Love you. Bye. See you Monday on Dolo Talk.